Good morning, one and all. Myself, Silda from the Department of Retail Department. Today, we are dealing with the topic e-commerce business models. Okay, so we all know what do you mean by e-commerce? E-commerce is electronic networking, electronic commerce. That is, through internet, we buy and sell the products. So, these are the e-commerce business models can generally categorized into the following categories: B2B, B2C, C2B, B2G, G2B, G2C. As we all know, there are lot of business models. Here, business to business, a person sell products to a business to another business, that is B2B, and business to consumer, a person sell product to business from to the end customers, that is B2C. Then consumer to consumer, consumers exchanging their products, that is C2C. Then business to government, as we all know, when business engage with government, that is B2G. And government to citizen, government directly engage with citizen, that is G2C. These are the basic business models. So let's explain in detail what you mean by business to business. A website following B2B business model sells its products to an intermediate buyer who then sell the product to the final customer. As an example, a wholesaler places an order from a company's website and after receiving the consignment sells the end product to the final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its retail outlets. That is B2B. This is the flow chart. Wholesaler, business organization. Through website, we process the order. We take the order. So the order goes to the business organization. Then it supplies to the wholesaler. Wholesaler sells that to the customer. This is the structure. How it works: website, business organization, wholesaler, and consumer. So B to C. Then business to consumer. A website following B2C business model sells its product directly to the consumer. A customer can view the products shown on the website. The customer can choose a product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to the business organization via email, and through organization will dispatch the product goods to the customers. That is B2C. Customer order through website, then business organization supply that to consumer. So that is B2C. Then consumer to consumer, C2C. A website following the C2C business model helps consumer to sell their asset like residential property, car. Or the main example or the famous example is our OLX platform, Meesho platform. That is the consumer to sell their access like residential property, car, motorcycle, etc. Or rent a room by publishing their information on the website. A website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. Another consumer may opt to buy the product of the first customer by viewing the post advertisement on the website. That is consumer to consumer, customer to customer. OLS, Meesho are the examples of these customers to consumer C2C model. How it works: customer one want to sell products, place the advertisement in the website. Then customers do want that product, so they exchange the products by one send the cash and another send the product. That is C to C. Then government to citizen. Government uses G2C model website to approach citizen in general. Such websites support auctions, vehicle, machinery. Mainly government use these kind of G2C for the auction sale. Auctions of vehicles, machinery or any other material. Such website also provide services like registration of birth, marriage or death certificates. The main objective of G2C website is to reduce the average time of fulfilling citizen requests for various government services. So, to getting birth certificate, death certificate, something related to the government papers, so we can directly enter to the government site. The consumer can directly enter to the government site, and G2C model helps to receive that documents, or it helps to the auction sales also. Here it was government website citizen, direct engagement of citizen with the government website. Then government to business. Government use B2G model website to approach business organizations. Such websites support auctions, tenders and application submission functionalities. Here it works government, website, and business organization. Then business to government. B2G model is the variant of B2B model. That is, such websites are used by the government to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. Such websites are accredited by the government and provide a medium to business to submit application forms to the government. Here it's for business organization, website, and government. Then consumer to business. In this model, a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organizations for a particular service. The consumer places an estimate of amount he/she wants to spend for a particular service. For example, the comparison of interest rate of personal loan, car provided by various banks on via website. A business organization who fulfills the consumer requirement with the specified budget approaches the consumer and provides its services. This is how the structure works. Business organization process order to website, pays money for the particular service, customer so receive money and receive product and exchanges. Then what is subscription based e-commerce? So in simple words, subscription based e-commerce is a business model that allows customers to subscribe the products or services they need on a recurring basis. This model can increase your customers' lifetime value significantly. The main example is Amazon Prime, Netflix. This is also a subscription based e-commerce platform. Why it is so important? We can log the customers to this subscription model. Subscription model allows business to log customers in for the extended time. In long-term relationship, company can modify their products and services to meet the customers' need and growth with them. Types of subscription commerce business model. There are many types of subscription commerce business you can go with. It really depends on your product catalog and services. Here we have outlined a few one, that is Mailchimp, subscription box, then digital content subscription like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime. These are all the examples for subscription. Then other examples also Zomato, then Uber rides. These are also subscription based examples. In metro cities also, Metro card also, there is a subscription based e-commerce platform. So these are the examples for subscription based. The main aim of subscription based e-commerce is log the customers. So today we deal with the various business models of e-commerce: B2B, C2B, G2B, G2C, B2C, B2B. Then also we discuss about subscription based e-commerce. Subscription based e-commerce is log the customer for a long term, getting customers for a long time. Example, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Netflix, etc. So hope everyone understood the today's topic. Thank you. Have a good day.